for making the platform, not making the figure. If I die today, so what the next? Okay, the person can die, idea cannot die, the platform cannot die. We are preparing our brothers and sisters that they can move forward the movement. We are in a struggle, we are in a movement. I am the only one man, Jaber is the man, Juma is the figure, but we are making to create lots of figures. But you think, if Jaber dies, Juma dies, Hadi dies, Inqilab Monch will not die, because until the Qiyamah, Bangladesh will exist and aggression will exist parallelly. So, if the aggression exists parallelly, the resistance will of course street, you think. So, some organizations, some figures should lead this movement. Inqilab Monch will be very happy if they can fight for the people by the name of Inqilab Monch, not by the name of Jaber, Juma and Hadi. It's our pleasure that we are making the platform, not the personality.